So guys, it's JFBoosted, and today we're gonna be washing my car with these products right here. Anyways, you guys, it's JFBoosted here, and today, like I said, we're gonna be washing my vehicle with Project Car Care products. As you can see, I just returned back from roadkill, Arizona, and this car's pretty damn dirty if you guys see it, I'm gonna do a close-up with my gimbal. As you can see right now, the rear looks dirty. You see all that grime and dirt and contamination got from Arizona dust, and as well as in the sides, it looks all dirty. My tires, my rims, and as well as my front and my hood over there, that's really dirty. And once they shipped in my house, it was a good time to wash my car with their Project Car Care products, and I'm gonna go try it out. It looks like they have great scents, like the unboxing video that I showed you. So you guys haven't seen the unboxing, you go back. Anyways, let's get to it. So as you can see right here, all my products are neatly placed on here thanks to my sister Vanessa recording at the moment. And what we're gonna do is clean all this gunk. Stay tuned, you guys, and I'm gonna be recording along the way some slow motion foam. Oh wait, I don't have a foam gun, sorry about that. So I might record me wiping it down, or maybe not even record washing my car, because without a foam gun nothing's fun, right? So I might buy one later, or hopefully my sponsorships could give me one, anyways. So yeah, you guys, stay tuned and you'll see that before and after of how it looks. Alright guys, to start off though, you gotta get everything in order. So to start off, it's the essential process, then it's the intensive. So essentials outside, interior, then it's wax and bodywork hybrid process, and then it's the end of reset process, basically to restore everything. Alright, you guys, so I'm gonna start using the Alpha Trim Gel Premium Dressing, which is 100 trim, and then you wipe it down and then let it sit there for like 3 minutes and then take off any residue. So let's start doing that. Next up, we're gonna use the glass cleaner, and it supposedly removes like streaks and it makes it crystal clear every time. So let's try it out. Alright, you guys, next up I'll use the Essential Red Line Wheel Cleaner and spray on my rims. So stay tuned. Alright you guys, so now I'm done with the whole exterior wash, and came out to be pretty great products. Freaking love it so far. No problems at all. The windshield cleaner, I'm not sure. It's probably because I have some, you know, permanent water spot damage from the previous cleaners, and I haven't really wiped it down correctly, so we couldn't blame this. It actually put some work into it and actually took some off, but I swear I need to put more labor on it to get that, you know, shine again. So well, I did the exterior, and I'm going on with the interior process, and afterwards I'm gonna move on. All right you guys, so for the interior I'm gonna do a benchmark fabric upholstery cleaner, because the other ones are pretty much for leather. I'll probably try it out in another vehicle with leather, but yeah, this is probably the upholstery cleaner that I need. Or I could use a Alpha interior cleaner, but it says slash leather cleaner. So yeah, this is probably the only one I could use, as well as the carpet cleaner, which, and the interior satin finish protectant, which would be the UV protectant that I'm gonna use. So yeah, let's get to it. Alright you guys, so I finally did the exterior and the interior. I did not get to do the reset process nor the hybrid process. I will do that soon or later. Just couldn't have time, so I'll probably do a part 2. Because I mean, the interior and the interior and the exterior, they were just the basic cleaners, and for this kind of process I'll probably use it in another video, more specifically when I go to car shows and everything. But for right now, I'm gonna be driving it in the weekend and during the week, because I want to enjoy the car before it starts raining again. So yeah you guys, probably just do the basics for now, and later on just start off with the, you know, go in deep. So yeah you guys, thanks for watching the video. Have a great day, a great time, and you know, like and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. I really need those subscribers now. You know, the YouTube terms. But yeah you guys, if you guys loved the video, give a like. If you guys didn't like something about it, or you want me to give more detail, please comment down below. Yeah you guys, have a great day.